Hey guys, this is Kavita and welcome to the Yellow Curry. Today I will show you a very popular dish called Gobi Manchurian. It is very easy to make but great in taste. Before we start, first look into the ingredients. In a mixing bowl, I am adding 5 tablespoons of refined flour or maida, adding 5 tablespoons of corn flour, crushing some black pepper on it, mixing it well. Now adding half cup of water into the mixture. Now giving it a good mix. Now adding baking soda, a pinch, into the mixture. Adding 1 teaspoon of salt into it and mixing it well. Now I am adding the cauliflower florets into it. I have blanched the florets with some salt. I have drained the water and washed it with some cold water. Now mixing it well so that all the florets coat completely in the mixture. Now heat up a wok or karai and add some vegetable oil in it. Now we will fry the florets into it. Now here I am adding 2 tablespoons of refined flour or maida to ensure a thick coating. Now mixing it well. Now the oil is moderately hot here. In this oil I am frying the florets. Don't make the oil very hot as it can burn the cauliflower. And don't overcrowd the pan. Fry in batches. Turn the sides and fry the florets rolling into the oil. Flip it over and fry until you are getting a nice golden brown color on top. Now these are in nice light golden color. Now taking it out on a plate. Similarly, we are frying the next batches. Now all the cauliflower we have fried for the first time. Just to ensure the crispiness on it, we have to fry it for the second time. This time oil should be very hot for frying. Now this time we have to fry for the crispiness and ensure like these are really nice golden brown color on top. See, now these are beautifully fried and a nice golden brown color on top we got. So this is the time to take it out on a plate. So our cauliflowers are fried and ready to go into the sauce. It's time to prepare the sauce. For that, I have heated up some oil in a pan, adding chopped garlic on it. Will not fry the garlic too much, just saute a little bit and then we will add the chopped onion in it. Now frying this for 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. Now adding 1 chopped green chili. Now I am adding the corn flour and water mixture in it. I made it using 1 teaspoon of corn flour in 4 tablespoons of water. Once you added this mixture, it is important to stir continuously. Otherwise, this corn flour mixture may stick in one place and spoil the sauce. Now adding soya sauce, 2 tablespoons. Adding tomato ketchup, 3 tablespoons. And mixing it well in the gravy. Adding red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons into the mixture. Ensure a good mixing of all 3 sauces and stir continuously. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Cook in high heat and constantly stirring the mixture. Now adding half tablespoon of sugar in it and mix it into the sauce. Now our sauce reduced and thick now. At this point I am adding the cauliflowers. Mix it well. Coat each and every florets into the gravy. Switch off the flame. Stir it continuously. Coat it well. Our gobi manchurian is ready. Just to garnish, sprinkle some spring onion on top. Now it's time to plate. See, the color is so tempting, isn't it? I hope you really liked today's session. If you really liked it, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.